We are a big agricultural county, and it's a small county. When you look at it, we have twice as many dairy cows as we have people. But when we look at the maple syrup industry, this is the second largest industry for agriculture in Lewis County is maple syrup. And we have a lot of folks who are either doing it as their second ag product that they do beyond dairy farming, or we have now gotten a lot of people, and they have their sugar bush that they're maintaining, and then they actually are going and saying, I'd like to do this full time. Over the years, we've seen the opportunity to say, let's look at how we can go and not just put our maple syrup in a barrel, and then how do we say to the consumers, look at this great product that we have in the North Country and in New York State that we could bring to you and put on your kitchen table, and how do you use it?